What's up, Easy Gang? So I'm back with another video, and today I just received my package. Yes, oh my god. I ordered it off Amazon, as y'all see, and it wasn't supposed to get here until Thursday, but I got it today. So what this is, like car wrapping kit. It's like it has I'm just open it up. I'm gonna just show y'all what's in this real quick. So this is what I have. Industrial heat gun. That's what I got. So we got this little whisper doodle, this little wiper blade thing. Y'all don't know me. I'll learn as I go. Self-taught, self-made. This thing, which I guess it's like to help get in, like in between the creases and the hard to reach areas. And here we have another little squeegee winchy thing. Whoa, crisp cutter. Now this is what I needed. This right here is what I was definitely looking for. And then I have these right here. These go on my car. These are actually gonna be very helpful when I actually start to wrap my car, because these are actually magnets. These are going to stick to my car. They're gonna hold the wrap in place. And they're basically like, especially like if I gotta do it by myself, this is definitely going to be very helpful. I got some gloves, y'all. I hope these are one size fit all. Ooh. Let's stop right here. If you have not liked this video already, if you're not excited as I am right now to just receive this package, I don't know what's wrong with you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I am definitely going to be doing a lot of DIYs. You don't know what that is? Do it yourself. Now this, okay, so this is another little neat tool that I'm going to need for actually, no, I can use this as well for cutting tint. I got these two, I got two sides. These are squeegees. These are gonna help like get the bubbles and stuff out of film or tint, okay? Like windshield wipers. So next, we have this doohickey. Pretty much same thing as this wing dang doodle right here. So these two are different materials. Like I said, same concept, different look. This one is more like a cotton feel to it, and this one is more like how can I describe it? Like carpet, like low carpet. These are interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna pretend like I know what these are, because I actually have no idea what these are. If you know what these two little pink doohickey wing dang doodles are, comment below and let me know what these are, and let me know what these are used for, because honestly I don't know. And we have another wing dang doodle. Same concept, different shape. We have more wing dang boodles. I don't know what these are. I don't know what these are either. Might be edges. Could be edges. And this, don't know what this is, but a thick squeegee thingy. Last but not least, drum roll please. This thing, right? The most important piece of the project is the heat gun. Can't do nothing without the heat gun. This is very, very valuable to this whole project. Without this, I would definitely be looking a lot dumber than what I look like right now. It has a high and low setting. Right here, see, high, low. It does this part just itself, it twists. Okay, so we have high heat, low heat, and off. But one thing I know I'm gonna have to get is an extension cord. I have nowhere else to plug this in my car. So now I gotta go get an extension cord. that wraps up this segment of the video. I will be having more content coming soon with me actually using these items. So stay tuned. And like I said, man, subscribe to the channel because I will be doing some dope shit, man. I'm doing dope stuff. I'm getting back into like doing stuff myself. Like to my cars, basically my cars. And that's my passion right now is my cars. I am going to be car shopping. I definitely want your opinions on what I might get. I'll be doing another video on that later. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys for showing love and support. And like I said, man, hey, you gotta start somewhere. And thank you for joining the easy way. Peace.